So you might want to add in custom text and text style inside of Adobe Premiere Elements for different purposes. And to do that, you need to go around over here under the Project Assets panel right here, and then go around and expand out the options for the panel right here. Then go to New Item right here, and here you can see that title is an option. And then you got a custom title, as you can see right here. So now what you can do is you can go around. Let me just minimize out the Project Assets panel right here. You can go around and then you can simply type in, let's say for example, a text right here, just like this. So now what you can do is you can go around and change out the text properties as you like from over here. Let's say for example, you can go around and change out the font. You can change out the style right here. Let's say for example, this one. And depending on the font that you select right here, you get bold and everything else right here. You can italicize it, you can underline it, you can center align it, right align it, and so forth. And work around with the alignment as well, just like this. If I were to go around and increase up the size right here, just like this, you can see that that is what you have. You can hold shift so that the size increment is more or less. You can also go around and change around the color, as you can see right here, like this one, as you can see right here, and press OK right here. And you can go around and take, let's say for example, the mouse right here and drag out the text content wherever you like. If you were to go around onto the style section, then you can go around and choose, let's say for example, different text style right over here as well. So you can go around and choose around the text style right here, just like this. So you can go around, choose this or that right here, and then apply the effect as you want. And if you were to go around onto the text, then you can see that you can go around and change out the other properties as you like right here, just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see. So on the text style, you can see that that is what you have right here. And then this is what you have right here. So these are different text styles right here that you can go around and select. Apart from that, there's animation and shapes, and that is something that we're going to cover up in upcoming videos. So that is how you can go around and add in custom title text and then apply out style as you like inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. You can also add in more text as you like right here, of course, right here, and add in style as you like and get the contents as you want. And the title right here comes up as a layer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.